So in this video, we are required to simplify this particular expression. All right, so what we just need to do is to use this minus 3x squared to open this bracket, okay? So minus 3x squared times 2x squared. Let's just speak one after the other. Minus 3 times 2, that will give us minus 6, okay? X squared times x squared, that will give us x raised to the power 4, okay? How do I know? X squared times x squared is the same thing as x raised to the power 2 plus 2. Just got to x raised to the power 4. From law of indices, they are of the same base, okay? Then minus 3x squared times minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 3, that is plus what? 9. X squared times x, this is x raised to the power 1. That will give us what? X raised to the power. That's plus 9x raised to the power 3. Then x minus 3x squared times 5. Minus 3 times 5, that is minus 15. Then x squared. So this is the simplified form of that particular algebraic expression. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.